just came back from another trip and I have a package here for products to review on the channel. Let's see, what is this today? For the Tesla sunroof to protect you from the sun. So I know what it is now. I'm not gonna install it now, but I have a car for it. So this will be super useful here in Miami. Here are the instructions. Should be pretty easy. We'll do it over the weekend. So here we have a Tesla Model Y, which as you can see has the sunroof, panoramic sunroof, and this is an issue here in Miami, even though we're here in our quote-unquote winter. Let's see the temperature here now, 73, but really sunny, as you can see. So we're gonna try to install these covers here and see what's the difference. So here they are. I tried it on the Model 3 and they don't fit. They are very specific. Here are the clips, and let me see, this one is for the rear. So this one fit perfectly. I'm gonna put the clips on it. So here they are. They have to go like this so this can support the part here. One more here on the side. Let's put that one on the back now. For the back. There's 3 more clips left, but now we have installed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I could probably use 1 more here. Let's try it there. And that's it. I think, oh, this one is upside down. Doesn't look good like that. You can see it here from the top, but now this is protected. This is super hot now, and again this is in the winter. And there you have it. You have the cabin protected now. Good job. An improvement for this Tesla. Unfortunately, you cannot fix every problem you have with the Tesla, because look at this. This is a car that is not that old, and this is already falling apart. It's completely bad quality.